Yo, what's up guys? It's me back again, and I've got a special little glitch for you that I found for Gas app. But there's a god mode that usually you have to pay for, and it reveals pretty much everyone's identity on the app, and it's super cool to use because yeah, like I say, you can see everything that you usually can as a standard user. Obviously no one wants to pay for this premium god mode, but I'm gonna show you how you can get it for completely free. So you need to go on your mobile phone, open up the internet, and visit the following website: www.cellhero.xyz. So that's CELLHERO.xyz. So you've got to actually type that website. Make sure you don't Google it, because you probably won't find it, so you need to go directly to the website. And it's going to load up this page: Gas full unlock mode, Gas account verification, enter your Gas username to get admin mode, fully unlocked account including location change, full visibility, unlimited hints, and more. Basically all of the good features that come along with the free god mode. So you've got to put in your username. I set this one up for this video. So this is a completely standard account. You gotta enter your username, press submit. As you can see, your Gas account is eligible for full unlock. Human verification is required due to influx of spam traffic. Basically, robots have been coming on and basically spamming this website, so there's a short human verification that's required. As you can see, you just gotta download and open 2 of the free apps or complete one of the short free surveys. It only takes 30 seconds to complete, and 39,000 accounts have upgraded so far in 2022, so that's a lot of people. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on one of these apps or surveys and just complete 2 of them, and I'll fast forward and be back with you in a minute. Okay guys, I've just downloaded 2 apps or completed the survey, and I've gone back to the website, and as you saw there was a tick, and that indicates that you've completed the verification. So now you just gotta wait 15 minutes. It usually takes around 15 minutes for the god mode to be activated on your Gas app. So give it 15 minutes, then you go into Gas app, open it up, and you will see that you've now got a fully unlocked account with all of the features.
Never gonna fall, I'ma stay on the attack. Put them up against the wall as I finish every track. Never gonna stall, no, I'm never gonna slack. I've been like working and learning and searching for something to push my shit over the edge. I'ma keep burning and turning the profit. You know I can't stop it until I am dead. Gonna be unstoppable and profitable, cause I got a constant flow of knowledge, yo. If you got a problem, bro, take 'em off the throw. Coming to the top, I go, yeah, promise, go.
Pull up to the club and the city show me love. She gon' fit me like a glove, sipping whiskey.